Your girl came back home. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am Adiah. You can call me Didi if you're new here, and if you're not, thanks for coming back, and I hope you're enjoying me so far. So I'm going to buy a fan right now. Long story short, I have been without a fan for almost 5 months. Don't I don't know. I've talked about my little fan dilemma, but I don't know if the vlogs made it up. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to get one now because I'm back to filming content, and doing that without a fan, can you tell? No? Okay. Doing that without a fan is just difficult. So you can tell I'm already sweating. I just finished filming, though. Girl, you look like $1 billion. Anyways, let's get Ashley and start going. We'll get monetized in a couple of videos, I promise. Okay? So yeah, okay, let's go. Hey guys, I'm getting ready to film now, so I just wanted to show you guys something I got because I'm going to use it in the video. So let me just get ready to film. They have been generous with their lights. I don't want to abuse it, so catch you. Hey guys, good evening. The time is anyways, the time is 7:47 right now. I got a few things and I just want to show you guys. First off, I wanted to start by talking about something. So I feel this pressure to keep up and okay, so it's like this. I am doing content creating full-time now, right? And I see content creators, like most of the people who I love and watch and enjoy, and I feel this intense pressure, like to be a certain way, to do things a certain way, to you know, it's just like there's just a lot. But then I try to remind myself that, you know, we all have different experiences, all have different journeys. But I need to keep reminding myself. And I feel like this kind of pressure is, I'm saying it as me being a content creator because that's how I feel the most pressure. But people feel this pressure in like different ways, and I've come to terms with the fact that I'm on my own journey. I'm not where I want to be, but I'm definitely not where I used to be. So pat on the back, because child, it wasn't easy. Okay, like I know how far I've come from where I was last year or last 2 years, so it's like I should give myself props for that. Whenever I feel that way, I unfollow. Like, it's nothing out of malicious or anything like that. It's just to make me feel better, and I'm top priority. So I feel like if you're going through something like that, you should just try and embrace your journey. That's what I'm doing, honestly. Let me know how you deal with yours in the comments, or if you even experienced this, or you know, whatever. Thank you for listening to my TED Talk. Okay. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay. Where I went to buy the table, and one of that thing was one place, but where I went to get the other things I'm going to show you guys was a different woman. She was so delightful, by the way. I wish I vlogged, but I don't know, I didn't. I'm sorry. I asked her for reusable straws and like glass straws, and it sounded like I was speaking gibberish. But she offered to give me straws for free. Nothing's for free, guys. Okay, so the first thing, well, not the first thing, but the first thing I'll show you that I got is this. Can you guys see me? So I got this plate set. Yeah, I got this plate set. So at first I wanted to get one single bowl, and that bowl was 1.5, but this is 3K, which I feel like, you know, is money wise, or it's pound wise. Money wise, pound foolish. It's pound wise. I feel like this is what it looks like. So this is one bowl, and then they're like, there's another one, then there's another one. I'm sorry if you're hearing stuff. I have neighbors, they're watching TV. I can't do anything about it. Just like the whole clear white stick was this set of spatulas. I got this for 2.5. One thing about me is when we make all this money we're about to make, everything in my house is going to be sustainable, because like, bruh, that's just how I like stuff. But yeah, I saw them and I'm like, well, you're coming home with me, okay? Because you guys are about to get premium cooking content, because I see you guys like that on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me, by the way. But you guys ate the one cooking video I did on my reel. You guys ate it up. I'm like, okay, I see you. You guys, this one lied to me. So she was telling me that this thing can act as a mortar. The stuff can act as a mortar. Child, tell me what I come home and it daggone has holes in it. Like, can you see that? What? Okay, Lagos Seller 1, Adiah 0. Now this this is what I'm about to show you guys. I wanted to get tumblers, right? Tell me why I daggone came back home with 4 book cups and a freaking jug. Bro, so it was like, you see all these reels on Instagram. I'm gonna leave some of the inspos on the screen. And you guys, I've been taking screenshots of all these mugs. I'm like, I need to get this mug. I went there, and obviously I didn't like anyone that she had. But then I saw this one, and I'm like, hold on, girl. So So this is a jug. I'll show you guys this one later. So she brought out this one, and I was just like, are you joking? No, you're joking, right? Are you joking? What is this? Can you? Oh. So it has 4 glasses in it. Yeah. So this is how they look. And then this is the jug. Now the only thing I don't like about this jug is the fact that the cap is blue. Look at this. Are you joking? Are you joking? So the last thing I got is this plate. If you follow Adiah's face, which I'm going to make a video of my favorite YouTubers very soon, so keep an eye on out for that. She gets all her hardware from CB2, or yeah, mostly CB2, right? So she has this plate that, I mean, the one she has is plain and it's a bit deeper, but it's square like this. So when I saw this, I'm like, oh, you're coming on me. So here, and then I got my table, obviously, which I'm just so happy for, because now I can film videos like this. Like, what are you talking about? I know that God will bring this journey he has started in my life to a complete completion, okay? Because I know that all the things he has put in my head, he will help me get there, because I didn't ask to be on this world, okay, period. And I just trust him so much. You know, it's taking me so long to invest in my craft, invest and take the leap of faith. Hold on. Invest in my craft and take the leap of faith that I'm taking now. Like, child, we just all out. Like, I don't even want to caution to the wind. Caution who? Not this girl. All right, guys, have a good night. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Hey guys, happy Sunday. This is literally the next day, well, more like the next night, obviously, honestly. Happy new month, happy new month, happy new month. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you guys a bit of a backstory, right? So in December, a friend of mine visited me, which I'm pretty sure I vlogged it, and he gave me this, right, for Christmas, or just for seeing me, because we hadn't seen it in over a year. I'm sorry if you can hear the fan. Listen, I can only do so much as one person, okay? So he gave me this, right? And I kept it. He gave me this in December. This is January, February, March, April, first day of May. I kept it. I was going to drink it when I finally started buying cute dining ware. So yeah, I finally have a cute tumbler. So we go and drink it. Like, am I not just corny? I'm so sentimental, and I just attach values to stuff like this, you know? This is the brand, by the way. Oh, did you hear that? Oh, huh, baby? Oh my god. Please don't fizz. Please don't. You're bubbling. You're bubbling. Don't bubble. Don't. I'm literally talking to a bottle, okay? This might not mean anything to anyone, but this means a lot to me. Like, okay, so let's make a toast. So here's to more money, more content, more alcohol, more lavish lifestyle, more growth, more subscribers. And here's to love, kindness, and peace of mind. So cheers. Here's to a new milestone. I know you guys see it coming. Here's to a new milestone. Okay. Throughout today, I've just been feeling blah. Like after I showered in the morning, I did a bit of choring, and but then again, I didn't eat good food today. Like if you see the nonsense I ate today, I'm embarrassed to even show you guys. So I didn't eat good food today. So I've just been feeling like weak, and my body has just not been feeling it at all. But tomorrow I am going grocery shopping for not like the whole month, but I'm buying like these staples, and then as I decide on what I want to eat throughout the week, I will get what I need, you know. So I'm really excited to get that so I can just eat decent food, because brah, what I ate today, they should flog me. Like they should stretch me and use kuboko on me. But yeah, so I was not feeling really good, you know, and I thought that this would, like, it just came to mind. I'm like, let's do it, like, let's do it. So cheers. Okay, yeah, that's it for tonight.